Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the Euro Yen, I mean, we are going down pretty strong, but I still think it needs to go up to this 123 Fibonacci retracement from the weekly, and maybe this really is a wave B, but I don't really think the wave B is over. I think this is going to make a higher low, whether it does it today or tomorrow or what. Doesn't really matter, but I think it is going to end up making a higher low and end up giving us at least another leg to the upside for the continuation of this wave B that we're currently in. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, we definitely did get a little bit of a break up. So there is definitely a possibility that we do get a little bit of a push to the upside today. But really, for me personally, this could just end up being a pullback to the last wave down, which is almost a perfect 5 waves, by the way. So even if it does push up, I would definitely be looking at it as most likely just a pullback within a downtrend. But like I said, on the daily time frame, we are looking for a possible reversal. So if you do go long and it goes up and breaks this high right here, that's what most likely to me would confirm that this really is the end of a pullback on the daily and that we're making that next leg to the upside like I showed on the higher time frame. So like I said, I would be looking at this move up as a possible pullback, but if you go long and it goes up and breaks this structure, then that possibly could turn into a nice swing trade to hold on to for a few days. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.